Even at 11 o'clock in the night, nobody goes to arrest. Nobody goes to arrest. Now here, in this case, this petitioner was arrested only because he used a loudspeaker in the procession which was permitted by you, means your officers, the competent officers. Is it not a case of misuse of power, Mr. Superintendent of Police? This is a wrong statement, Mr. Khan.
My lord,
This is a wrong and false statement in the FIR बिना किसी सूचना के.
और 4 बार बिना सूचना.
एक मिनट, please proceed further. And I tell you again, I will remind you
my lord.
that please act as an officer of the court. Please don't think that you have to defend the state in a manner. Yes. Yes, Mr. Superintendent of Police.
Sir.
What is happening in your area? It's a case in which for 6 years investigation has been kept pending. Injury report has not been produced in the court of learned CGM. What is the state of affair?
Sir, this case was registered in 2016.
Yes.
And this accused was arrested in February 2017.
Yes.
And later for prosecution sanctioned. Since this case has been...
Let it be there. Prima facie, this impression goes to the court that this petitioner was arrested in complete violation of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. What was the allegation against him? That he was using loudspeaker during procession, which was permitted by your SDO. He had got permission to take out a procession. Is it not?
Sir.
This is called that in this democratic society where we are living, आपको किसी को अगर फंसाना हो तो अभी आप रोड पर निकलिए और कहेंगे कि साहब सांप्रदायिक सद्भाव बिगाड़ने के लिए आपने ये बोल दिया. Is it enough to say?
That is the matter. FIR this.
Mr. Khan, is it enough for the police officer to say? Arrest anybody on the road saying कि साहब सांप्रदायिक सद्भावना बिगाड़ने के लिए इन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने कोई मारपीट नहीं हुई वहां पर, कोई घटना नहीं घटी. एंड छोड़िए वो सब चीजें. दिस पर्सन वाज अरेस्टेड बाय पुलिस. आफ्टर हाउ लॉन्ग?
6 months.
After how long?
After 6 months.
After 6 months. Why he was not arrested on the spot if he was doing so? Why he was not arrested on the spot if it was such a serious kind of thing which was happening in presence of the police? What is this 3632, Mr. Civil Surgeon?
Registration number, sir.
Registration number is 3632. And the registration number 3681 is above 3632. Why is this?
ये टू है, गलती से लिख दिया है.
क्या गलती से लिख दिया?
गलती से पेन स्लिप.
क्या पेन में हो गया?
नंबर बीच में सबसे
गलती करने में पेन थोड़ा हिल डुल जाता है, मालूम है ना? अपने अंदर जो है ना, भीतर से कुछ आवाज आती है गलती करते समय, तो वो पेन का हिलना डुलना जो है वो हो जाता है. क्या गलती किया है आपने, बताइए जरा मुझे.
सर नंबरिंग करने में गलती हुआ है.
नंबरिंग करने में, चूंकि आप बीच में उसको डाल रहे थे. फोर्जरी के लिए आप जाइएगा. You are committing forgery to come out of this case, and it is apparent writ large on the record.
सर एक्सरे रिपोर्ट का भी है सर.
Police, doctor, everybody is in league with each other. You are not following the judgment of the court. You are not following the order of the CGM. What kind of police you are working here? समझते हैं क्यों कोर्ट को बुलाना पड़ता है आप लोगों को? अब समझ में आ रही है बात? आपको पता नहीं होता कानून क्या है, यही प्रॉब्लम है. केस बनाइएगा तो बनता चला जाएगा। कचहरी में आने के बाद जो है ना, अच्छे अच्छे लोगों को फिर बड़ा मुश्किल होता है। जो बाहर आप नहीं सोचते हैं ना, वो यहाँ वकीलों की भीड़ में आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा। समझ रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब? नहीं समझ रहे हैं? So what should be done? I want to know you. I know from you, Mr. Superintendent of Police. These are the things which have surfaced now. Now tell me.
Sir, I would like to bring 2 points, sir.
Yes, please.
Where this procession was being done by the accused, that is very sensitive place, sir, and it has the history of communal disturbances. That is the mixed population, and the charge was, sir has rightly pointed out that permission was granted, but in the FIR it is written without permission. They were
That is a wrong statement.
sir.
You admit that to that extent there is a wrong statement in FIR?
Sir, that to that extent, sir.
Yes, to that extent.
Yes, sir, I accept it, sir.
You accept it?
Sir.
So a senior officer like SDO, the then SDO of the Gopalganj is making a false statement in the FIR? Say yes or no.
Sir.
Proceed further.
Sir, they were making speeches, sir, to disturb the communal harmony, and for that only this FIR was registered, and the relevant sections were under that section that FIR was registered.
Who was witness to that? In whose presence this statement was made?
Sir, the force or officers that were
The
deputed.
magistrate was deputed.
Sir,
Why the magistrate did not lodge FIR then and there? Why the magistrate did not lodge FIR then and there? है देखिए, Mr. Superintendent of Police, please don't make any statement just without any basis there. If there any communal harmony was disturbed
sir.
on 13/10/16, why your magistrate did not lodge FIR then and there? What prevented him from lodging the FIR? And why FIR was lodged on the next day making a false statement? These are the circumstances clearly showing that you are making a false case against a person who is demonstrating against your police officers, because your police officers had taken his party worker in custody and he was harassed, tortured in police custody. So he was demonstrating. तो आपने कहा ठीक है, अब तुमको भी सबक सिखाते हैं, तुम नेता बन रहे हो तो तुमको सबक सिखाते हैं. This is how the police will react.
Sir,
अगर आप इस तरह से काम करना शुरू करेंगे तो लोगों का क्या होगा? Then nobody will raise his voice, and that too in this democratic manner, after taking permission from your competent officer. आप बोलते हैं ना कि भागा और भागने में गिर गया और चोट लग गया, तो कहानी कब तक चलेगी? आप ये बताइए मुझे,
sir.
आपने पहले जजमेंट पढ़ा है कि नहीं सुप्रीम कोर्ट का? डीके बासु जजमेंट पढ़ा है? नहीं पढ़ा है?
नहीं sir.
नहीं पढ़ा है ना? तो आप कैसे एसपी रहिएगा जब आप पढ़ा ही नहीं, जजमेंट ही नहीं पढ़ा आपने? सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट जो 1997 में रिपोर्टेड है, आपने अरनेश कुमार पढ़ा?
पढ़ा है सर.
अरनेश कुमार पढ़ा है? जोगिंदर कुमार वो स्टेट ऑफ यूपी पढ़ा? नहीं पढ़ा. आप ऐसा कीजिए, जरा दोनों जजमेंट पढ़ करके आइए मेरे पास.
Sir.
आई एम गिविंग यू 1 hour टाइम.
Sir.
I take this as an opportunity for you to educate you. No, Mr. Khan. He has not studied the judgment of the Supreme Court. What kind of SP is he? If he doesn't know the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court, how can he administer police service? क्या हम जजमेंट्स लिखते हैं इसीलिए? हम इसीलिए जजमेंट्स लिखते हैं कि ये पुलिस ऑफिसर्स कभी पढ़े ही नहीं उसको. आप इनको पढ़ा करके लाइए मेरे पास. मुझे एसपी साहब को जरा एजुकेट भी करना है. ये जाएंगे, एसपी हैं जिला के, इनको कमान दिया गया है और ये पढ़े ही नहीं है तो ये कमान क्या संभालेंगे फिर?
ट्यूसडे
पढ़ा दीजिएगा जब दोनों जजमेंट अच्छे से इनको, तो किताब लेकर के आइएगा मेरे पास, चैम्बर में बैठाइए और पढ़ाइए इनको, उसके बाद आइए।
एक रजिस्टर
क्लासेज ही शुरू करेंगे एक अलग से।